मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, मुझे मैसेज आ रहे हैं ऊपर के कि नायका का ऑर्डर आपका डिस्पैच हो गया है। एंड वेट, आई गेट एक्साइटेड व्हेन आई गेट सच मैसेजेस। Hi guys, क्या हाल है? Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a get ready with me video. I am going out for like brunch and I just thought मुझे थोड़ा तैयार होके जाना चाहिए but I didn't want to like put in lots of makeup. So this is going to be like a easy get ready with me makeup tutorial. I'm not going to do anything intense with my eyes. It's going to be a very subtle look that you can pull off literally at any time of the day, and we'll just see how it goes. ये मैंने सोचा है और ये मैं बोल रही हूँ, अगर ये हो गया it's going to be a win-win situation. So yeah, without wasting any time, इस side पे so I'm going to start with the eyes. Black and white, the perfect combination, right? You would just want to wear that anytime you go out. So I thought eye के साथ भी थोड़ा white and black makeup करते हैं. So obviously first we'll just prep our eyes for it. And this is the concealer. This is Fit Me का concealer. And we'll just put it all over our eyelids because we're creating this base. The entire makeup. और generously लगाना please ना, कंजूसी मत करना लगाते वक्त. Now we'll take a beauty blender and obviously इसको थोड़ा wet करेंगे. Did I mention मैं ना face prep कर चुकी थी. मैंने moisturizer लगा लिया था Cetaphil का. Where is it? Then I put this. I'm just straight away starting the makeup. Okay. So yeah, that is something that is a must. I just forgot to record it. So yeah. Right. So yeah, I put the concealer. Now I'm taking basically Fit Me ka loose powder and I'm just creating the base. I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid, right? That's done. Now we basically create the entire look around two colors, white and black. So we'll start with white and towards the basically the corners we'll have black. Okay, so I'll start with black. Okay, and I'm going to put very less amount of black basically on the crease line, right? So like क्योंकि हम उसे intensify करने वाले हैं इनमें, so I'm just going to take good deposit, tap the excess, and we take a mirror and then we place it on the crease line just to define कि कहाँ से कहाँ करना है, right? Yeah, can you see it? We have it, and we'll take a little bit of the color and we'll put it on the edges, right? क्योंकि अब वो intensify कर रहे हैं हम थोड़ा. Basically same color है, the way you put it and the way you blend it, उस पे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है कि आपकी how can you define it. Now we'll take the concealer and kind of cut crease करेंगे, थोड़ा सा concealer लेंगे and we'll just place it on the eyelid. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's like a chill look, right? Right? And from the same palette, we'll take basically the white shade. I like to do this gently with the finger because अच्छे से place हो जाता है फिर. Right? Can you see? Right. So we placed it. It's placed. Now we'll have to blend again. So I take basically a clean brush and मैं थोड़ा white shade ही लूँगी and we'll try to blend it. Now from the same palette I'm going to take black and I'm going to put it on the edges ताकि थोड़ा सा और intensify हो जाए, but not too much, right? Right, can you see the different shades basically? थोड़ा सा black ले सकते हैं and we just place it and we'll clear off the excess basically बाद में. This I am going to do off camera, so you'll basically see the next clip जब basically eye makeup पूरा हो जाएगा. So give me like not 2 minutes but like 10 minutes. But you'll see in the next. बहुत मेहनत के बाद I'm basically done with the other eye as well, and this is how it looks like. Apart from that, if you're wearing like some color, you can put a winged eyeliner of the same color and it's just going to change the entire look. तो ये मुझे याद आया while I was just doing the other eye. So I have these two eyeliners. I have blue, I have purple. I'm still confused मैं किसका winged eyeliner बनाऊंगी. So I think we'll go with purple. So this is also Color Essence का, right? And we'll make a winged eyeliner and we'll just see how this goes. Right, okay. Brace yourselves. दिख भी रहा है पर्पल. सिर्फ पुट द लाइनर. इतना दूर से नहीं दिख रहा तो मैं थोड़ा क्लोजअप देती हूँ. इफ यू कैन सी वाइट पे पर्पल लुक सो नाइस. यू कैन सी एंड पीछे जाते जाते ब्लैक हो जाता है, वो तो छोड़ो. बट ऑब्वियसली any color would like really look nicer. Now we'll basically move to the rest of the face. So सबसे पहले I will try to cover all the blemishes, and for this I have to use a palette. Sorry, I have to use basically Forever 52 ka color corrector, and I'll just take a brush and I'll put it all over the blemishes. And this is basically Vega ka brush, and I'm going to take brown. And this is a very nice color corrector. I think I used it in my previous video and I felt like you don't have to use a lot of it, right? Now I have a beauty blender because that's important, and we wet it and then blend करना start करते हैं. Now I'll take foundation. This is basically Fit Me Ka foundation and I'm in the shade 230, and I'll straight away put the product on the beauty blender and we put it on the face and then just blend. The coverage is so good, man. Yup. Now eyebrows बना ले पहले. बताओ. चलो eyebrows बना लेते हैं पहले. That's because मेरे को brow kit अभी दिखी थी कहीं पे. Found it. We'll just first brush the brows. ठीक है. Now I'm basically going to take the lighter shade. This is the light shade. This is the dark shade. And basically starting के parts को we'll fill ताकि थोड़ा natural look लगे, right? Not bad. Not bad at all. Right, so the eyebrows are done, right? Now we'll set the face, obviously with Fit Makeup powder, and this is basically in the shade 15, right? And we'll take a brush and we'll just put it all over our face. Okay, so now we basically contour the face, and for this I'm going to use Maybelline ki Duo Stick. Basically get it towards this part, right? Also you can have like a 3, whatever works for you. We take a beauty blender and blend. Right, so this is almost done, right? जितना blend अच्छे से करोगे ना, that's like literally the key. So I think ये blend भी अच्छे से हो गया, right? I'll now put blush and I'm using LA color का eyeshadow palette नहीं है ये blush palette है, okay? So now I'm basically going to put blush and this is LA color का blush palette and इसमें से obviously as is visible I've used this shade the most, but we'll go with like a lighter tone today. And then in the end, okay, this is what I do. I take the darker shade and I put it here. So वो instant lift आ जाता है. थोड़ा सा और ले लेंगे dark shade. And there we go. Right? Now we'll take highlighter and we'll put. I'm using Huda Beauty का 3D highlighter palette and I will basically go with Ibiza, right? Because इसका और ब्लश का टोन थोड़ा सेम है तो ज़्यादा अलग से नहीं दिखेगा. Not bad at all. Okay, now lots of mascara because who doesn't love mascara? ऑल्सो अगर आप आंखें बंद करके लगाते हो ना तो इंस्टेंटली नीचे भी आ जाता है, जो काइंड ऑफ कभी कभी अच्छा लगता है. लाइक अभी अच्छा लग रहा है, सो यू कैन ट्राई इट. सी, wow, that's how it looks, man. And a nude lip shade to finish the entire look. So I'm using this lip shade. It's like a nude. This is Manish Malhotra ka Result Suit. And yeah. I'll just put some setting spray. This is ELF ka setting spray. Just looking so natural. Perfect for a brunch. And yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. So I'm back and this is the final look. Like it's a very chill look that anyone can pull off really easily. Only 2 colors, like 2 eyeshadow colors. ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत मेहनत का काम है, but you guys know the drill. So yeah, I had fun making this video. Tell me what are your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.